Ukraine managed recently to destroy 2 Il-76 transport airplanes and damage another 2, where Ukraine has released a video showing 2 of these hits, as Ukraine managed to hit them at Pskov Air Base, which is much closer to Estonia than Ukraine, showing once again Ukraine managing to pull off long-range drone strike with devastating effect for Russia. As Russia has limited transportation capability already, this hurt their capability further, making possibly Russia needing to move their expensive airplanes much further back to lower the risk of an attack, or risking getting more of Russia's air force destroyed, leaving less for tomorrow. That's all I had for this video. Please like and subscribe for more.